Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're always extra excited on days like today when we're reviewing a Pat McGrath product. So this is part 2. I did Dark Star last week, and now all the focus is on the beautiful Metamorphosis palette and a matching lipstick. We love her, we love her. So if you'd like to find out how this really cool jewelry inspired look came together, what's on my lips, and what this luxurious bit of cuteness is on my head, just keep watching. As always, I'm Bree, and I'm the owner of Breezy Tea along with my husband, and we make hair products that fight frizz, lock in moisture, and protect your hair with style. This cute little number is a recent addition to the Breezy Tea family. This is our satin sleep scarf in silver. And if you've seen a video of mine before when I'm wearing one of our scarves, yes, it was initially meant to be just a sleep scarf, but now I found another use for it. I think it makes a really cute hair accessory, especially when I'm wearing my puff, which is my go-to hairstyle as a natural. I feel like it kicks my puff up a notch. It's super luxurious. It's got a beautiful shine to it, but it's not too overdone. So it just gives my puff a little oomph, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it to go to sleep, obviously, but I'm also loving it as a hair accessory. And if you'd like to check out any of our satin sleep scarves, just visit us at breezytea.com. So that's a little bit about what's on my head, a little bit about my business. We're going to talk a little bit about Miss Pat McGrath. We're going to, what's going on with this piece of hair? Natural hair is just disrespectful. It's disrespectful sometimes. So here we have the beautiful Metamorphosis palette from Miss Pat McGrath, and all shimmer, y'all. She didn't come to play with the shimmers. No matte included. This is all shimmer, and it's like the sum of the elements of the earth. So it's just, there's silver, there's gold, there is copper, there's bronze. So the metals, that's what this is all about. And I have been looking for a silver eyeshadow for too long. I've been trying to find a silver eyeshadow, and so that is the color that drew me to this palette. I can't even lie. The silver drew me in, and I cannot wait to see how this looks on my eye, and I'm hoping this is the one I've been looking for. And then I also picked up the matching lipstick, Christy. She's a nude, and we're gonna try this on and see how she looks with the palette, okay? So that's a little bit about the products that I have today. We're gonna get into these swatches now, and then we're going to get this on my eye. So let's go. This is Metallurgy. This is Copper. This one is Sterling. This one is Smoked Amethyst. It's a deep, deep eggplant. This one is Bronze. And this one is Gold Standard. So as you can see, they're all shimmers. They're all extremely pigmented. These are the swatches for Pat McGrath's Metamorphosis palette. So I just zoomed in a little so we can get a closer look at the eyes. I only put some concealer on my lid, so that's the only thing going on there. I feel like this palette is going to be a companion palette for a lot of people because it's all shimmer. Too much shimmer can be over the top for a lot of people, and so you can mix and match this with your favorite matte, which I'm going to do at a different time. But today I'm kind of challenging myself to use these shimmers. I have no idea how right now. It's kind of going through my head. I'm not quite sure, but let's just jump in. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I surprised myself. Now, a couple of things. I have enough Pat McGrath palettes now to not be surprised at the quality, but I still really am. This bronze color, blended like a mother loving dream. Absolute dream. This is such a beautiful pigmented color. Now, I saw some looks on Instagram, but for me, some demos, they were a little over the top. They're not anything that I would ever wear. So I thought I was going to go into this, choose silver, one other color, the dark color. The one color I didn't use, that's what I had in my head. But then I got inspired. Do you know the jewelry that comes in like silver, gold, and copper? That became my inspiration. I'm like, well, they made those three metal colors work in jewelry. Let me try this out. So I went in actually with the bronze here, which I said blends like a dream. I obviously went in with the silver on the lids. I went in with a yellow gold color in the inner tear ducts. That's a pretty bold gold, so too much would have been overpowering. I think it works here. And then to switch it up under the eye, I went in with the copper color. So the bronze up here, the copper here, and then a lighter gold on the brow bone. I managed to get 5 of these shimmers into a look that I'm actually digging, and I don't feel like it's over the top because silver is a tough color to match, especially with other metal colors. And to me, this is a tasteful way to do it. I did not want to look like I am a robot and I'm here to kill you. I didn't want to, that was too much, okay? That would have been too much. So just a little bit of silver to me goes a long way, and it's beautiful with this bronze color. It really is beautiful. So my inspiration was the jewelry, and it came to fruition, and I'm loving this look. So all shimmers, I could work it out. And there was no fallout with any other color. There was a little fallout with the silver. However, it wasn't glitter that was sticking to my face. I cleaned that right up with the Beauty Blender, right up. So there are no issues. You don't even see it anymore. So that cleaned up really easily. And yeah, I'm proud of myself. I used most of this palette and it works. So now let's get into the lipstick. Okay, so now I've gotten my face, the rest of my face all the way together. We've got some shine happening. We're glowing. Now let's get into this lipstick. It's a nude, so no sense even trying to be cute. Let's start with a lip liner. A dark lip liner, because that's how I roll. Why is this giving me more purple than dark brown? Lord. Did I choose the wrong liner? No, I don't think so. I think this is the right liner. And this is Christy. She's pretty. It's like a peachy nude. Let's see how this peachy nude looks on. The peachy nude is peachy. Bright. I had someone say to me, someone I know, why don't you wear more red lipsticks? I'm like, I'm a nude girl. No apologies. I mean, I might wear, and I do. I have my Pat McGrath Flesh 3. I'm not going to do more than that. I'm not going to be buying a lot of reds because I know I'm not going to wear them. So, hey. One of the beautiful things about being in your 40s, well, your 30s too, your 30s it starts, but being in your 40s is, you know what you like by this age. If you don't, you've been doing it wrong. You should know what you like by your 40s, and you don't have anything to prove to anyone. So I like what I like unapologetically, and I'm digging this. So this is pretty. I'm liking Christy. Listen, Pat McGrath lipsticks, Mattetrance lipsticks. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Suede going on. Feels like nothing's on your lip once it's on. Nothing bad to say. I think they are stunning lipsticks. I think they found the most glorious formula for these lipsticks, and I cannot say enough. I absolutely love it. And I'm not 100% convinced that this is the lipstick to go with the look that I created. I think it's beautiful, but I would probably go with a more bronze color, a bronzier color, or even a lip gloss. Something to kind of keep the attention on the eye, but still bring that same color down to the lip to kind of tie it all together, keep it like a metal kind of thing. But I still think this is stunning, and it matches my backdrop. So there's that. So who cares about the makeup? It matches my backdrop. No, so that's it. There's nothing really to say about the lipstick. Divine, fabulous, wonderful. She's got a deep purple that I told Santa that I want. I'm going to get into that at Christmas time. And yeah, this is the final Pat McGrath Metamorphosis, Pat McGrath Labs Metamorphosis eyeshadow palette and Christy lipstick, Mattetrance lipstick look. Okay, guys, that is it for me. Like, subscribe, comment, do all those lovely things if you did enjoy this video. I can't wait to see what Pat McGrath comes out with next. No doubt I'm going to have to grab it because I'm a little obsessed with the brand. If you'd like to check out any of our satin sleeve scarves, our t-shirt hair towel wraps, our satin line beanies, our satin line knit beanies, because I don't know how it went from summer to winter. Like, the cold is straight up here. If you'd like to check out any of our natural hair teas, our Ankara and satin scarves, and more, just visit us at breezytea.com. If you want to come hang out on social media, we are Breezy Tea Towels 1 on Instagram and Breezy Tea Towels on Facebook and Twitter. Until the next video, ciao for now, guys. See you.